This store is coming along. Eventually I'll have bread and cookies and cake. Maybe bread and cookies on this one. And then we have homemade soaps here. We have 2, right for now, homemade vanilla, 2 honey that are from my bees, some more soap. We're making homemade beeswax candles here. And then I'll probably add some other stuff on this. We have coasters for sale if anybody's looking for Christmas gifts. I know it's kind of early, but Christmas gifts. If anybody's looking for Christmas gifts, I can make a family, like a portrait on there too if you need like a family one done. And then over here, we're getting set up. We're missing a couple of things here, a display case, but this is gonna be our Pokemon area. If there's any guys or girls that like Pokemon, we will have Pokemon in this shop also. We have a lot of binders to go through. Lots of binders to go through. Clearly watching Pokemon TV. But this is what we have so far. Not everything is done. Like I said, all the walls and everything is done. All we have to do is set up and get our stuff made and get opened, everyone.